Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a Diwali get ready with me, and this is what I'm planning to wear for Diwali this year, makeup wise as well as clothes wise. And also I am recording this voiceover from the airport, so if there's like some background noise, then I'm really sorry for that. But yes, this is what I'm planning to look like. Hopefully I can look that glamorous again because I really love how it turned out. So I will start off by taking La Roche-Posay thermal spring water, and I will be misting it all over my face as well as on a damp beauty blender or beauty sponge. This is YBP Cosmetic sponge, and then I'm just gonna pat this in my skin. This really makes a difference. I've been doing this and it really makes a difference. Then I'm gonna take Sephora lip balm, and I've been loving this again, one of my faves at the moment, and I'm just gonna slap this on my lips because I love that moisturized lip. Taking Baby Skin instant pore eraser, I'm gonna prime my face. Again, recently this has been my go-to. I've been really liking it to fill in my pores and everything. Another favorite, I think this is like a favorites video, but I'm just taking NYX Stay Matte but not flat foundation. This is in the shade Olive, and I'm first just gonna apply it with the help of my fingers, and then using that same sponge I'm just gonna blend this in. And because this also has that thermal water, it will help in just making this foundation more fluid and nice. So yeah, I'm just blending this in. I love the coverage as well as the finish of this foundation. It is beautiful. Taking Neutrogena Healthy Skin Concealer, I'm just gonna highlight my under eyes. I'm gonna apply to my orbital bone. This is very thick, but this is very blendable. So I'm first just applying it under my eyes like you can see here, and then I'm gonna blend it out. You will see how well this spreads, and it covers up really nicely, but still doesn't look cakey. So that's a very good thing. I'm also applying it on my nose, just that much. Cupid's bow chin, and I will spread it everywhere. Like I will take it up from my nose and it will just highlight everything. Then taking this Makeup Revolution Duo Face Sculpt Powder Duo thingy, I'm just gonna set my concealed areas. I am right now not a moreover setter person. I just like to set the concealed area, not all over my face, just like setting it that way. And then taking this PAC 305 brush, I will have all of the links to everything in the bottom bar. I'm going to take the contour side from the duo and just sculpt out my cheekbones as well as jawline a little bit. A lot, yes. I'm also brushing this on my nose just to get a slightly contoured effect, not too much, just slight. Then taking this beautiful blush from Sigma, an e.l.f. blush brush, I'm just gonna blush up my cheeks, and it was quite pigmented, which I realized, and then I went in with a softer hand here. Then taking Mary Luminizer with again an e.l.f. fan brush. This is such a beautiful highlight. Like I keep going back to this and it keeps on surprising me. I love the glow that this highlighter gives. Like I love it. I can't even speak because I'm so like Then taking LA Girl Pro Setting Spray, I'm just gonna take a quick shower in it just to make sure that everything melts into everything. And then taking my sponge again and just like running it all over my skin, not running it, bouncing it very gently, just barely touching it to make sure that everything just sinks in, looks natural, just everyday natural things. Then taking this Natio brow kit, I'm just going to use the middle shade, but before that I'm going to use the spoolie that it comes with, and I'm going to brush through my brows to make sure there are no knots or anything. And then taking the middle shade, just fill in my brows in short strokes just to make them look nice, full, but still natural. Taking this first shade from Maybelline's Blush Nudes palette, I'm just gonna put this in my crease. I'm using an Oriflame blender brush, so I'm just putting this in my crease and I'm just gonna like very slightly make it into a transition shade. Then I'm moving on to Sleek Arabian Nights palette and picking up this beautiful purpley grey shade, and I'm gonna pick it with a dome shaped brush and go into my crease directly. I'm just depositing this color slowly, building upon the intensity. I'm going quite in with my crease. I'm not keeping it just till the outer crease, but going quite in as well. Then taking the blending brush again, making sure there are no harsh edges or anything. So yeah, just like blend that line. From the same palette, I'm going to pick up this beautiful golden shade and I'm going to apply it all over my lid as well as in my inner corners. So I'm just patting that in. Then again, just blend everything out to make sure that there are no harsh edges. I'm taking that same purpley grey shade under my eyes as well. Then taking PAC mascara. This is the Big Eyes mascara and they have like an upper lash and lower lash mascara. So I'm applying this mascara on my upper lashes first. I'm going to be adding falsies anyways, but still just apply a nice mascara. And then I'm taking super skinny marker. I'm just going to line between my lashes because I'm applying heavy set of lashes. I don't want the band to show. So I'm literally just lining between my lashes. I'm doing nothing too great. Just lining between the lashes, as I said a million times already. Then taking the lower lash line mascara, I did my mascara quite quick. And then I added falsies also very quick. Then I'm taking Rimmel Universal Lip Liner and I'm applying it on my lips. And then taking this LA Girl matte pigment. Now this is very drying. I was trying this out for the first time. I didn't even like the color that much, so I just applied this. It was very patchy to apply. For starters, like very patchy, very difficult to apply. So I applied this color and I was like, not feeling it. So I added this NYX Turned Up lipstick and then I was like, too dark. So lastly, I went in with this MUA Luxe. This is liquid lipstick in the shade Tranquility, I believe. And then I just topped it off with this and I was like, yes, perfect color. After 4,000 layers of lipstick, perfect color. Then I'm going to move on to my hair and I'm starting off by combing bottom up. And I'm just curling my hair using this Roots Professional Curler. I'm using the 1-inch barrel and I'm just like curling my hair away from my face. Holding it like that for about 10 seconds and it's a beautiful curl, it's a beautiful world. So I'm going to do that all over my hair. So I'm just going to show you another layer. Done. And with the power of editing, all done. So now I'm just breaking up these curls because I don't want such a ringlet effect, but more like my hair is naturally curly and beautiful. I wish they were, but so this completes my hair. And then I just wore my outfit and jewelry. The jewelry is from Suhana. You would have seen it in my haul. The outfit's from Shop in Karol Bagh. I'll write the name down. But yeah, this is my complete get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. They're gonna come to an end soon and it really makes me sad, but all good things must come to an end. I hope they're good for you as well. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.